So this raised bed, it's got all organic stuff in it. I used lobster compost. I used from oh, what's the name of it? The Maine. I forgot. It's from Maine. It's really good though. And some other organic stuff from there. The problem is raccoons get there and hop onto this in the middle of the night. They were eating my lettuce, my spinach. So over the winter, I had put in garlic, and here's one little straggler that was planted in October. I'm hoping more come up. I know that there. Oh, that might be. Oh, here's one coming, but I'm not sure when I have to pick it. So I'll have to figure that out. We'll see how it goes. But I'm going to be working on this. Stay tuned. I have to figure out how I'm going to keep the raccoons out of here, or if I'm going to just have to move it.